Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. Once again, these are member exclusive na mga lecture videos for CECC2, specifically statics kasi I believe statics yung first week ninyo. So yun, maraming salamat sa mga nag-avail. Sige, continue tayo. So problem number 11, we have a man daw raises a 10 kilogram joist of length 4m by pulling on a rope. Now find the tension daw in the rope. So if let's try to draw the free body diagram of this figure. Draw natin. So bale parang ganito, no? I hope you will agree sa free body diagram. So ganyan, and then walang sinabi na meron bang friction between the floor. So I'll assume na frictionless, and then meron to. Ito yung force that is being applied, no? And then, of course, huwag natin kalimutan ang weight of the, yan, I think yan lang. Tama, no? Yan lang. Okay, so, diretso tayo. Distances, this is 45 degrees. This is 4 meters. Ang length, no, ng bar. So, this is 2m. This is 2m. Let's call this one point A. This is point B. By the way, 25 degrees to. Yan. That's 25 degrees. So if that is 25 degrees, and then ang total inclination kasi nito, yan, ang total inclination kasi niyan is 45. So I hope you will agree this is 20 degrees. Okay? So yung 20 degrees na yan, meron tayong horizontal component from the yung force, no? Tawagin natin yung force ito na R. Yan. So meron tayong horizontal component of the force, which is ito. Yan, force R. Meron tayong vertical component of the force R. So, isusulat ko lang dito, no? This is R cosine 20 degrees, and this is R sine 20 degrees. Okay? So, I hope okay tayo dyan, ha? Kasi, tama, no? I think yan lang. Sige, so, kunin muna natin to, and then ilipat natin sa kabila. Yan, and then lipat natin dito. Yan. Okay. So, to solve, yung hinahanap lang natin, no? Find the tension in the rope R. So, to solve for the tension in the rope R, I can just actually very easily sum up moment sa R. Diba? I mean, sa A. So, sum up tayo ng moment sa A. Summation of moment at A is equal to 0. Clockwise equals counterclockwise. So, ang clockwise, you have yung R sine 20, di ba? I hope you agree. That's clockwise. R sine 20 degrees. Pero, ang moment R niya, from point A, that is from here to here. So, itong distance na to. So, itong distance na to, I hope you will agree, that's actually 4 cosine 45. No? The distance from A to here. No? Yung distance na yan. Moment arm ng R sine 20. So, that's 4 cosine 25. I mean, cosine 45. Ay, sorry. 45. Okay, so meron tayong clockwise. Another clockwise is yung due to the load itself, no? Due to the load. So, ang load natin, ano ba yung weight ng ladder? 10 kilogram. A man raises a 10 kilogram joist pala. So, ang joist, we have 10 kilograms. So, plus 10 times 9.81. Now, the moment arm will be half of the moment arm from R. So, ito, i-divide lang natin to by 2. Yan, divided by 2. Okay? And then, that must be equal to the counterclockwise moment, which is caused by R cosine 20. R cosine 20 degrees. Okay, notice sa whole equation na yan, only R is unknown. So, you can just use your calculator to solve for R. Ako, I will just use my software, no? Shift solve na ako dito agad sa software. Kayo, pwede kayong gumamit sa CalQ. Bakit ang pangit nito? So, R. Yan, ay, sorry. So, ilalagay ko na dito para makita ninyo. So, R is equal to this one. Again, wag niyong pansinin yan, ha? So, you can just use your calculators para mag-shift solve. So, wag niyong pansinin to kasi this is yung sa software kasi yan. Kayo, you have your calculators man mag-shift solve. Medyo matagal na kasi pag nag-isulat ko pa yung whole equation. So, ako, ginagamit ko lang to. Nako, may mali tayo. Saan tayo nagkamali? Tama ba? Sine, then the degrees, 0.25 cosine. Okay, alam ko na saan tayo nagkamali. Dito pala. So, nakalimutan ko, meron pa palang moment arm. Itong r cosine 20, nag-moment tayo sa A, meron niyang moment arm. So, ang moment arm niya will be itong 4, 4 and then sine 45, no? So, yan. 4 times sine 45. Again, sir, saan galing yung 4 sine 45? Ito yan, the distance or vertical distance from point B to point A. Ito ba? Ito. Itong distance na ito. Yan. Yung distance yan. From here to here, that's actually 4 cosine 45. I mean, 4 sine 45. Anyway, cosine or sine, parehas lang tayo yun ang sagot kasi parehas lang kasi 45 naman yung angle. Again na, meron pala tayong figure. Ito yun. Ito yung moment arm na sinasabi ko. This is 4 sine 45. This is the moment arm of r cosine 20 with respect to point A. Okay? So, diretso tayo. Yeah. So, solve natin ulit. So, ito na yung answer natin. Yan. So, bali, ito lang yung gawin ng degree. Ay. Ito naman. Okay, so our answer is 82.068. Hopefully, no, nandito sa choices. Tama na dyan. So, that is letter C. Okay, so, sige. Yan. Next, determine the reaction at A. So, ang reaction at A, simple no? You can actually just consider the same. Ito pa din. And then, just sum up forces horizontal and sum up forces vertical. So, sum up daw tayo ng forces... saan na yun? Ito. Ay, sorry. Yan. Sum tayo ng forces vertical is equal to 0. That's upward equals downward. So, ano yung upward forces from the figure? We have the reaction at A. Meron yan kasi dalawang reaction, upward, downward. So, tawagin natin RAV. Okay? So, yan yung upward, while ang downward dalawa, that is dr sine 20. And then plus, yung weight mismo, which is, I believe, that's 10 kilograms, no? So, that's 10 times 9.81. So, ito yung RAV natin. Sorry. Yan yung RAV 126. While for RH, so sum of the forces horizontal, ang RAH to the right equals to the left. So, ang force to the right will be ang RAH, while ang force to the left will be, if you will try to look at the figure, ang force to the left is only the horizontal component of R, which is itong R cosine 20. So, ilalagay natin dito R cosine 20. So, yan. And then, get the reaction. So, simply use, combine lang natin, no? So, simply use Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so our answer is 147. Check na natin kung meron ba. 147.87 or that's 148. Okay, so that's letter A. Sige. Gawin natin tong RA. Okay. Sige. So again, if you have any questions, clarifications, or even corrections, please do not hesitate to comment down below. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin.